What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of America's Worst Police Force, Mesa PD. On this night, I was out with AZPO, or Arizona Police Observer, Tempe Against Police Violence, and El Zorro Euro. Be sure to go check them out, subscribe, and let them know that Direct D sent you. So not quite sure what's going on. As usual, no one wants to tell us anything, but the police are here, so we're filming them. So what you're seeing here is me static recording these officers from the inside of a vehicle where they can't see me. And Tempe Against Police Violence is already up over on the left. El Zorro Euro is up on the right filming them, and they haven't said anything, and they're not going to until I walk over there. And when I do walk over there, we're going to see the sergeant that's standing there with his back to me with the lady hips in the middle. He's going to tell the guy on the left to go in there and solicit a trespass from this business that we just spent money at. These dudes are crazy, and they really don't like me, and this is going to prove it.
I bought stuff here, and with all these cops around, I feel like I'm in a safe place.
So I get out of the car and I stand here for another 3 to 4 minutes before I walk over there, but yet they still seem to have a problem and want to trespass us once they see me.
So that dude from over here, he tried to stop the dudes.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Might have a broken arm. His
That's
left
what's
one.
up.
There's the helicopter.
Yeah, they're still looking for him. Damn, man. So it's right about here where Sergeant Daniel notices me, and I give him a little wave, and that's when he starts plotting on us.
Told him something about us, and now he's asking him if we saw him.
Oh, he's telling him that we saw him earlier. So here's a clip from the same guy from earlier in the night where we stopped and we were filming his interaction with the police that apparently didn't go very well.
They don't care about shit.
So the one in the middle is the one that shared, right?
Huh?
Isn't the one in the middle the one that he said is in Cher's body cam footage?
No, none of these guys. No. So we're about to see a Sergeant Dan order one of his subordinates right there to go inside and see if the business wants to trespass us. They're gonna go trespass, follow him in there.
Good luck.
You just bought something. So if you don't understand what you're witnessing, this is a clear conspiracy to violate our rights. Nobody said anything to these cops, nobody's engaged with them, but as soon as this officer seen me, he started conspiring with another cop to violate our rights. Hi, Dan. How's it going, Dan? Check this out. This is what we're doing out here, filming them.
He tried.
He tried. He's gonna try again.
I was a customer. I got mine.
I am a customer. And with all these cops, I feel safe here.
You gonna follow him again? Let's see what he's doing now.
Tried to do a solicit a trespass and failed. So the sergeant told them to go tell them something else. So they're really going to try and push for this.
Have a good night, Dan. Daniel. Do your friends call you Danny? Like, go in there. What are you guys doing? So this pathetic excuse for a leader is Sergeant Dan. Sergeant Dan was there when I was kidnapped and he okayed everything. Sergeant Dan was there when I was at a incident at a Circle K and he started putting up tape. Sergeant Dan has been at a lot of things, and Sergeant Dan is a pathetic excuse for a leader to tell one of his subordinates to go in and do something that he should have done. Maybe he knew it was wrong.
Yeah, take care.
Do they have a problem with us?
I don't know. They just like asked me if it's still okay if you guys film me.
You know, that sounds like conspiracy and solicitation to me in an attempt to deprive us of our First Amendment right to film them. You know, almost like retaliation. Let's hear it again.
They just like asked me if it's still okay if you guys film me.
Oh, okay. They're not supposed to do that. They're not supposed to come in here and say anything. If you have a problem, then you're supposed to tell us, but they're not supposed to come in here. All right. Fucking losers. What are you doing?
Epic fail.
Hey, I got the clerk admitting it. Stupid.
Fuck you.
So I'm curious what you think. Leave me a comment and let me know how you feel about American public servants sucking paychecks to mess with cameramen.
That's crazy. I've never walked in when they're trying to do that. He said, "Are you okay with them being here?" And he's like, "As long as they're not harming anyone." I was like, huh.
And you got that on film?
I hope I do. I really hope I do.
I got it on body cam, some of it. Be sure to go check out AZPO, Tempe Against Police Violence, and El Zorro Lloro. Thank you, sir.